Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. Exercise questions. Problem 2.42. An element with mass number 81 contains 31.7% more neutrons as compared to protons. Assign the atomic symbol. Solution. Let number of protons equals x, number of neutrons equals x plus 37.1% of x, equals x plus 37.1 x divided by 100. Equals 100x plus 37.1 x divided by 100. After calculation. Number of neutrons equals 1.317x. We know that mass number equals no of protons plus no of neutrons. 81 equals x plus 1.317x. X equals 81 divided by 2.317. After calculation. X equals 35. Symbol equals 81, 35x. Thank you for your attention. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.